Hello friends. Today we learn about language. You can customize the language, so let's go to our Play Store, guys. I have gone to the admin panel of my store. Now go to its settings, then in the settings, leaf navigation. Later you will find a language here. The option is to tell you what the languages of the store should be, starting. Now you see the Add Language, click on Add Language there. You see different languages, select which you want to add language. We select Italian. Now you see the language is added. Here it is that you need to install a translation app. That is, you will have to install an app that can change the language of your store. But for now, we are only talking about languages, recording apps, and new ones. If you want to talk to the person in your next session, then I will do it now. The preview will not show any changes right now. There you also added more language on top corner. Click on Add Language and more language which you want. Add your store. Thanks watching my video. Support my channel. Like, subscribe, comment on my video.